You see these people? Every day they do the same thing, driving the same road week after week, as if they don't have a choice. I used to be just like them, working every day in belief that money was more important than the adventures life had to give us. But not anymore. Some of us choose a different life.
Faces swirling past me.